Today, I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm letting AI pick my next winning product. From start to finish, I'm gonna let it do all of my product research for me. We'll be using real data, trends, and tools that anybody can use. By the end of this video, we'll validate the product, find a supplier, and even generate a few AI ads for it. My name's Alex if you're new, and when you're ready, let's get right into it. So I'm gonna start by going on Glimpse. This is just an extension of Google Trends. It's literally just Google Trends with a little bit more data. It's a little more organized for you. But right here on the homepage under keyword lookup, you can see all of these different trending categories right here. You have food and beverage, beauty, fashion and apparel, and so on. Then it's gonna show all of these subcategories within each category. So for finance, you have payment, insurance, NFTs. For technology, you have AI, blockchain, metaverse. Lifestyle and culture, we have baby and toddler, religion, pets. So if you guys were already selling products within the pet niche, or if that's a niche you're interested in, you guys can click on pets right here. And it's gonna show you all of these trending keywords in the pet niche right now, as well as the 5-year graph and the year-over-year growth. So right now in the pet niche, some of the most popular products are those smart feeders, dog food toppers, dog ear wipes, freeze-dried treats. So these are some really good ideas if you're looking for products to sell. So I'll go back to categories and we can look at all of these again. So for example, let's say you guys are interested in health and wellness, specifically supplements. Let's say you guys want to start a white label supplement company. You guys can click on vitamins and supplements right here, and it's going to bring up all the top search terms in this niche. So right here, we have iron acid tablets, we have ashwagandha, cloves, THC gummies, ADHD supplements, and we have 17 different pages of all these search terms. And each one of these supplements right here is growing year after year. The first one's up 7%, 34%, 230%. So this one right here, saffron supplement, would definitely be a good one to sell, although I don't know anything about that. Let's go back to categories one more time and let's take a look in beauty. And there's a ton of sub niches right here that are already very popular, like makeup and cosmetics, hair care, skincare, nail care. Let's go ahead and take a look at some popular skincare products right now. So if you guys want to sell products in the skincare niche, you can take a look at neck serums, gua shas, different serums, frequency wands, and all of these search terms are actually growing. Now, when you guys find a search term or a keyword or a product that catches your attention, you can click on it and analyze it a little further right here. So let's take a look at this frequency wand. I know this was a popular dropshipping product in the past. So right away, we can see the search data for it. It's getting 66,000 searches every single month, and that's up 7% from the last year. If we look at the overall trend, it's increasing for the most part. And of course, you can change the different time frames. So instead of 5 years, we can look at the previous 12 months. So this is the search data for the last year. It's actually down 5% from the previous quarter, and it's actually decreasing for the year. So you can scroll down a little bit and you can see what people are searching for. These are all people's different searches related to this product. You can also see the questions that people are asking as well as the attributes. Then if we scroll down, we can see more data down here. You can see the actual channel that people are looking these up on. So most of this interest right here is off of TikTok. And then you can see some related trends over here, like the face wand, the red light wand, Lux Plus. But here's one of the most important sections down here, the interest by region. This is going to show you where these products are actually selling. So if you wanted to test one of these high frequency wands, you could test it in the US, Canada, Australia, the UK, as well as New Zealand. And those are already 5 very large markets that I test with every store I build. So now that we found a winning product that people are actively searching for on Google every month, let's go ahead and validate it further by taking a look at their active sales. So I'm gonna log into a tool called Zik Analytics, and I'm gonna go over here on the Product Explorer section, and right here where it says keywords, I'm gonna type in the name of our product. So I'll type in frequency wand. We'll click enter, we'll leave everything else alone, and we'll go ahead and search for this product. And right away, you can see this product listing being sold by multiple stores, and it's bringing in various amounts of revenue for each store. So right here, this listing's doing $9,000 a month, this one's doing $13,000 a month, $22,000, $9,000, $8,000, $11,000, $4,000, $5,000, $4,000. So this product's making some good money right now. Like if we scroll all the way down, you can see all these different stores selling it. Some are only doing, $1,400 a month, $600 a month, $19 a month. This is actually all the same brand right here. The one that's doing $22,000, $9,000, $8,000, $11,000. These are all just different listings, different offers that they're testing. So it looks like this new Derma brand is actually leading the market with this product right now. Let's go ahead and analyze their store by clicking on this icon. All right, so pulling up the analytics for this brand, we're taking a look at Pure Daily Care. They're active on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, as well as X. So they have a very active social media presence, but they don't have any active Facebook or TikTok ads running right now. They have 37 products, over 1,800 sales, and $131,000 in revenue over the last 30 days. Taking a look look at their sales chart, you can see when sales really increased right here. Look like they're dipping down a little bit, but overall, this looks like it's a good product to sell. Let's exit out of the chart and go down to all of their products down here. So they're definitely a store in the health and wellness niche. They're selling a lot of similar and related products, but this is what we're looking for right here. This frequency wand, as well as the extra attachments for it. It's bringing in a ton of money for this brand. And of course, we can try to find their best performing listing on here. Like this bundle right here is doing $12,000 a month for them. So let's look at the actual product page that's doing these numbers. So here's the new Derma Clinical Complete High Frequency Bundle. We got a pop-up offering us 20% off our email address. I really like that. Make sure you use those on all of your own product pages. They're selling it for $217, marked down from $605. That's their offer right there, 64% off. Looks like all of these images over here were just taken off of AliExpress. Like there's really not much to them. Same as we scroll down this description. There's really not much to this. They don't even have any reviews on here. So this product page could definitely be cleaned up a little bit when we go to sell this ourselves, but this brand's doing over $100,000 a month. So they're obviously doing something right, but there's always room for improvement. So since we validated this product on Google Trends and then took a look at the sales data on Zik, I'd say this is probably a good product to sell. It's a little saturated. There's a bunch of stores selling it, but it's definitely not oversaturated. All right, so just make sure you find a good product photo showing your product in detail, like this one right here. Then you're gonna go over here on the right-hand side where you see this little AliExpress icon. Click on that, and it's gonna use AI to scan the best AliExpress suppliers for you. Just go ahead and open up as many listings as you can containing your actual product. You're gonna go through and compare all of the suppliers after, find the best ones and reach out to them to make sure they actually support dropshipping. But of course, like I always say, AliExpress suppliers are just temporary. They're not forever. So this one right here is only $12. This one's a pretty good option. And when we click on it, we actually have free brand plus shipping. So we can actually get this product delivered in just 7 to 10 days. This already is a really good supplier, especially for AliExpress. All right, so now that we found and validated that winning product, let's go ahead and get it ready to sell. I'm just gonna rip some simple AliExpress photos right off that page, plug them into an AI tool, enter some high quality prompts, and get some detailed high quality image ads to use. After that, you can plug those image ads right onto Facebook and Instagram and start making sales tonight. Just go ahead and download a couple high quality product images, preferably with a white background. Like for example, you guys can see this one right here that I'm using for this high frequency wand. And you guys can use AliExpress images, competitor images right off of their websites, or even just Google your product. But get something like that. We're gonna put it in an AI image generator. This is Galaxy AI. They literally have every AI tool out there, and they only charge like $15 a month. So it's cheaper than most AI tools already are. I'm not affiliated with these guys in any way. This is an actual tool that I use every single day. But you're gonna select the model you wanna use. I typically go with Nano Banana. You're gonna upload your photo like we already mentioned. You're gonna select your aspect ratio. For an ad like this, we're gonna keep it square 1:1. We're gonna keep our output as JPEG, and we're gonna select 4 images. That's the maximum we can generate. That way we have 4 different generations to choose from. So then we'll scroll up to the top and we'll give it a prompt. And if you guys don't know what to write for the actual prompt itself, you guys can just move over to a tool like ChatGPT. Just say something like, give me a high quality detailed AI image prompt to turn a product photo, high frequency wand, into a highly polished image ad. Give me 5 variations to test. So from there, it's gonna give you 5 high quality detailed image prompts that you can plug right into those tools. So we'll go ahead with this first one right here. We'll copy all of this. We'll paste it into Galaxy AI and we'll click generate. It's gonna come up with 4 image ads for us to test right here. And I'll get back to you guys in just a moment when it comes up with all of those. All right, and here's the results from our first generation. I guess I didn't really read too much into the prompt. I was kind of surprised with what it generated right here. But you can do a fair mix of like these demonstration photos and a lot of lifestyle where you can Photoshop it in people's hands or have them put it into their face. But this is just a real simple way to have AI create all of your ads and even product images for you. Like we can go back to ChatGPT and I can say, give me one where an influencer is actually holding it. And it's gonna give me a prompt where there's an influencer holding this product. You guys can be as creative as possible with this. We'll copy this prompt right here. We'll plug it in a Galaxy AI one more time. Click generate, and let's see what it comes up with. Remember, you can use any of these photos for your ads, your website, your product images, your social media pages, anywhere you need to. Wow, look at these ads right here. Like these two might not make much sense because she's holding it right up to her ear. I'm not actually even sure how this product works. But look at this one right here. You have the high quality detailed image of this model holding it up. This would be perfect to use on your website or for Facebook ads. It's never been easier to find and launch a product using AI than it is now. Make sure you guys are taking full advantage of this. All right, guys, that was my entire product research method using AI. And you guys really don't need to overcomplicate this process. Let these AI tools do all of the hard work for you. So if you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing it with others, and subscribing for more. I also have a ton of helpful resources linked down below to help you get started. That's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.